Two phases of nature, sunset and sunrise, are the most majestic spectacles that we can ever witness. They are the most powerful forces which energizes, inspires, renew and gives hope. It reminds us that time is moving ever forward and that change is a constant of life. No matter how dark your life is right now, sunrise and sunset are awaiting on your personal horizon. Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I am an acrylic artist, and in this whole class we'll be learning two paintings, that is sunrise and sunset, techniques of paintings, blending of colors, and finally varnishing to give a glassy effect. So let's dig into it.